Right now, guys, this big pattern is getting closer and closer to breaking out for massive gains in the near midterm, and you won't want to miss out on this massive gainage that is about to happen in the Xrp price all the way up to this specific price target over here, guys. So stay tuned in today's Xrp technical analysis YouTube video to find out when is the Xrp going to most likely break out and how high can the Xrp go in the short term, and also what is the Xrp going to do. Is it going to most likely break out to the downside, break down to the upside, or it will make a savage rampage to the upside to the specific price targets? Stay tuned, guys. Hi guys, and welcome to Crypto Solutions, here to help you make the best decisions in cryptocurrency and in cryptocurrency technical analysis. In today's Xrp cryptocurrency technical analysis YouTube video, we are going to be talking about what is the Xrp price most likely going to do in short term. So first, guys, still I have these circles marked over here because this represents the fractals the Xrp price was doing in the past, and it seems like it's not about to complete this fractal as it did before. As you can see right here, you can see here that at the Xrp price you saw this double top, double bottom, double top, double bottom, and then continuation to the upside, rampage to the upside. Here again, double top, double bottom, double top, double bottom, and continuation to the upside. And here was near almost completing that, because it was here double top, double bottom, double top, double bottom, and then this in this time frame literally it was supposed to go to the upside like it did before, but the Bitcoin price decided to take a massive dump to the downside because of the metaverse projects and the big hype on the NFT market also, but mostly on the metaverse market. And usually when you see a lot of altcoins pumping a lot, you will most likely expect for the Bitcoin price to take a dump so it can cool down, because when altcoins go up, there's something that has to cool them down. Most of the times, the altcoins itself are not gonna be enough to correct themselves. So that's where Bitcoin decides to dump. That's what happens most of the times. Almost every single time in altcoin season that happens. You see massive pumps, and then after some time, boom, massive dumpage to the downside by the Bitcoin price to cool down and to bring balance into the market. So right now, guys, here is this massive asymmetrical triangle happening in the Xrp price right here. So this comes all the way, this pattern comes from April 12 of this year. So right now, this is a more than half a year pattern forming right here. And you can see that when I drew this support line over here, it held support beautifully right here. You can see it right here. I put out this support line right here. And look at that. Beautiful support. It came down, wicked, then support. And since this incident, this hasn't wicked down below that line in the Xrp price. So right now, here, is this fractal invalidated just yet? Maybe yes, I would say right now kind of, because still it hasn't broken structure. Here's the higher high right here. So if this Xrp price comes down here, then I would say it will be invalidated. But right now it's still following this massive asymmetrical triangle right here. And so right here, guys, the time in which this pattern is about to end is on the end of this apex of the triangle, and that will the last almost the last day for say will be March 28, 2022 for this pattern to break out either to the downside or to the upside. But I will, in my opinion, say that most likely this will break out in a bullish manner and continue to the upside because of this massive downtrend it has been for a long time now. You can see huge dumpage and another huge dumpage right here. So it will make more sense that it's the XRP price will break out to the upside or even do a fake out here and then go to the upside. But that is my opinion. Until the price decides what it's going to do, the price will not be determined yet. But what we can know for sure, most likely, is that if it breaks this resistance, then it will most likely go to here, around this $2.80 range for the XRP price. And if the XRP price, by the almost exaggerated scenario, if it were to break out to the downside, then the technical price target would be all the way down to here, guys. It will be here, which will not make sense because we'll put the XRP price at negative 0.81 cents for the XRP price. So right now, that's not going to happen. This will most likely result into a fake out if it breaks to the downside. It's not a guarantee, guys, but in my opinion, that's what I will anticipate if it happened like this, and then pump from there. And eventually this will be the direction. XRP is not going to go to zero, in my opinion, so it will make a lot of sense and also with a high probability for the XRP price to break out to the upside. But remember, guys, until it doesn't break the resistance, you can't say for sure with a almost guarantee scenario for the XRP price to go up. So remember, this is not financial advice. I'm just sharing the technical analysis, and also in separate, I'm telling you my opinion on this XRP price movement. So right now, guys, the resistance will be all the way here around the $1.14 range for the XRP price, okay? It can even do this, and then this again, a support again around the 85 cents, and then break out like here, or you can just break out from here. Both scenarios are considered. It can do this, and also it can do this, boom, and then break out, okay? So those are the scenarios. That's why if you're going to trade this, it's very important that you trade it when it brings resistance, just in case it does like a fake out right here and then continues to the upside, or it will continue going down and then decide to go to the upside. That's why we have support and resistance to determine what is the most likely scenario because of technical analysis, which is past history in the price action. So right here, guys, XRP price is looking kind of weak, very weak, because from the previous all-time high, the XRP price is down around 57% from this high, okay? It's not the previous all-time high because the previous all-time high is higher, far higher than that peak it saw around here, around this $1.95 range. That was the last pump in the XRP price in the most recent scenario. So right here, it's down around 57%. So it will make a lot of sense to go even higher from here, okay? It's not guaranteed, but that's what I'm anticipating, okay? That's why I'm telling you the technical analysis and I'm telling you my opinion, okay? The technical analysis is you wait if you're gonna trade this to break out of resistance and most likely trade it all the way up to the $2.80 range. And here the technical price target will be around the, if it breaks to the downside, around the negative 81 cents, which doesn't make sense unless you're expecting XRP to go to zero, but that's not going to happen, okay? With a high likely scenario because of the fundamentals and because of the people investing in this cryptocurrency. Like, it's not any ordinary people are investing in this XRP price. Like, when I say not any kind of people, I mean the people who have a lot of money to invest in XRP. Those people are the rulers of the world, rulers of most of the world. So those people almost never lose. So you want to be, if you want to win investing, most likely you will have to invest in the projects these world leaders are investing in, which are, it's not your presidents and different like public theater. It's behind the scenes people who truly invest and are the rulers in this world. But in summary, this cryptocurrency is not going to zero. Okay, this has a big agenda, and as long as we can make money on it, it's okay. It's okay. It's awesome. And as well as it remains predictable, it will be also very good, because you can't invest in something you can't predict, most likely with a high certainty. Like, if you're investing in something that can't be backed up by strong fundamentals or even technical analysis about the both, that's not something that you should invest, in my opinion, which is not financial advice, but that's gambling, because you don't know why you're putting money on it, and you're just hoping on something that doesn't have fundamentals or reasons why you should invest. Then that's gambling, because you're hoping for something that doesn't have the fundamentals or the reason why it should go up. So you're just guessing or gambling, or both. So right here on the XRP price, guys, we can see that using the simple moving averages right here, this pink line, which is the 200 simple moving average, you can see the XRP price tried to go above this range. It held support, but then lost it again, acted as resistance, and then got rejected right here. So right now, guys, in the short term, in order to see a pump in the XRP price, you will want to look for this resistance to be broken right here. It would be here. So as long as this XRP price keeps getting rejected on this resistance, boom, double various resistances right there, resistance right there. You can see here, rejection. Here can be a potential W pattern right here forming in the XRP price. Then boom, retest, and then break out to the upside, while also breaking out of this bigger asymmetrical triangle and then going to the upside. So right now, guys, it's very important for the XRP price to start regaining this simple moving averages above here. This light blue is the 21 simple moving average in a daily time frame. So it is important that the XRP price closes a daily body candle close above this light blue line to start the pumpage to the upside in a consistent manner. So right now, guys, that the XRP price is bearish on the daily time frame, and it's not a good thing, because daily time frame, it's not the biggest time frame, but it's a reliable time frame in the short term and in the midterm. So right here, guys, the XRP price also tried to do like a double bottom scenario right here. It tried to retest right here, but it got invalidated right there. So right now, guys, the support line will be around here, the 78-cent range around this. This will be very strong support. And if by any chance the XRP price can't hold this 78-cent range, then the net support line will be around here using this wick right here. Oh wait, come on. The net support line will be here. I'm gonna show you right here. It will be around the 70-cent range. You can see here, guys. So it was huge resistance there, support right here, resistance here, support here, and support here. So you expect for this support to hold, or even the wick around here, around this 72-cent range, but those are not very strong supports, so don't count on them too much. You can count on this green line, but not on the wick too much. But you can count on the very strong support around here, this range. The next will be around the 51 cent range around here. That's where you want to expect a support around there. Right now, guys, if this 78 cent range doesn't hold support, then expect for the Xrp price to try to hold support around this 71 cent range, 70 cent range right here. And if that can't be held, then next support line would be around this 51 cents range, which is not it's not very likely it's going to happen, but that's what the technical analysis is showing me right now. So that will be the support line. Very strong support will be around 51 cents. Here will be the medium support range around the 70 cent range to the 71 cents range. And strong support right here in the moment will be around the 78 cents range. And right now you can see, well, Xrp price is dumping. That is most likely caused by the Bitcoin price, but right now, guys, that's what I'm anticipating for the Xrp price right here. I'm gonna delete this line because the fractal is not playing out right now. Got it kind of invalidated, but not. It can still pump out to the upside, but most likely because of this asymmetrical triangle pattern right here. And so, yeah, guys, as soon as the Xrp price breaks this strong resistance around this $1.50 range to this $1.10 range around here, because remember, guys, the longer the Xrp takes to break out of this asymmetrical triangle, then the lower the resistance will be right here. So if by any chance the Xrp price just starts like pumping like this, which most likely will not do that, the only scenario I will anticipate that if the Xrp, the company that reports Xrp company will announce their win on the SEC lawsuit, that will be the almost only scenario which I will anticipate this massive price action in the very near term. But if that doesn't happen, then expect this to slowly go to the upside and eventually break out of this resistance and go to the $2.80 range in the Xrp price. Resistance around the $1.50 range all the way through the $1.10 range. So what I will anticipate for this time frame in regards for this asymmetrical triangle in the Xrp price to be met, it will be around here. I would say right here by January to February, around this range, I will anticipate for the Xrp price to break out either to the downside or to the upside. Okay, that's the breakout dates I am anticipating for the Xrp price to make a move, but it's really soon, guys. The maximum will be around March 28, 2022. That's the maximum, but usually in these big patterns, usually it breaks out before heading to the last part of the apex in the pattern, which is around the 80% range, like here, will most likely conclude the breakout either to the downside or to the upside, guys. So that's what I'm anticipating for the Xrp price. And let's see right here, guys. I want to put out the 4-hour time frame just so I can see if there's a pattern forming right there really quickly. I already check it out earlier on, but I just want to see right here just a second again. Right here, let's see. No bullish divergence, no bearish divergence. Let's see. In the short term, also in the 4-hour time frame, you can expect a little bit of a pump. When this happens, resistance, and potentially head to this resistance here. If it breaks out right here, then I will anticipate for a pattern form. This is like a pattern forming. Wait a sec. It's here. Ooh. Okay, but it's just 2 touches over here, so it's not confirmed yet, that resistance. let's see right here. So it was forming like this bullish kind of bull flag pennant, but it broke out resistance here. Now it's breaking down. For the meantime, this is not a clear pattern, so right now, as soon as the XRP price remains below this resistance, then expect for the XRP price to start going higher after it breaks this resistance around the 87 cent range right here, and also break out of this second resistance around this 94 cent range for the XRP. Also, those are very strong resistances right there, and the ultimate resistance would be around here, like I said earlier, around the $1.57, around the $1.15 range for the XRP price. So yeah, guys, that's what I'm seeing the XRP price. And right now the XRP price is bearish, but it doesn't have that much to keep going lower. It can, but in this stage it will most likely won't do that right now. So yeah, guys, that's it for this XRP technical analysis YouTube video. Thank you so much for watching this YouTube video, guys. If you enjoyed this YouTube video, guys, leave a like, comment, and share this YouTube video with your friends. Also subscribe to my YouTube channel, Crypto Solutions, if you haven't subscribed yet, guys. And also click the bell notifications to stay ahead in the cryptocurrency market using my technical analysis YouTube videos in regards of the cryptocurrency market. And also, guys, you can support my YouTube channel by clicking the Patreon link in the description below, where you can get an elite VIP crypto investor membership, where you can get an immediate short-term buying opportunities, immediate short-term selling opportunities, live weekly long-term cryptocurrency price updates, Bitcoin tops and Bitcoin bottoms with certainty in the short term and in the long term. Also live updates, my buying targets, my selling targets, and more. Thank you so much for watching this YouTube video, guys. Have a nice day, guys. Take care, guys, and peace out, guys.